What's up, guys? In today's tutorial, I will show you how to add someone as a collaborator on TikTok. So let's get started. First, open the TikTok app and tap the plus icon to create a new post or upload a video. Once your video is ready, tap next to go to the posting screen. Next, tap tag people, then select invite collaborator. Search for the TikTok username of the person you want to collaborate with, then select their account. After that, tap send invite, then post your video. Once the other person accepts the invitation, the video will appear on both of your profiles, and the views, likes, and comments will be shared. Keep in mind that the collaboration feature may not be available for every account or region. And that's it. That's how we can add someone as a collaborator on TikTok. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.